Compliments to the chefs.
Really good.
I don't want to reach over you guys. Somebody just slap me or whatever kind of eat.
Let's give those who work so hard with the food, Nancy and Jim and who else? Teresa and whoever else. Let's give them a hand.
Well done.
Don't forget Teresa.
Well,
There you go. How many taters do you want? One more?
just a little bit more, not much.
One more from that.
Eat it all, eat it all.
All right, now I'll bother Dustin.
Okay, run those potato things up here. They were in bad news.
Fresh pepper. There was some mashed potatoes.
That is delicious.
Oh, why am I asking you for
Just on the potatoes. A little bit.
That's
gravy I've
to
ever
me
eaten.
is the way you eat your job. The gravy. I know that.
Did you want an egg?
I don't know where all the gravy secrets. Yeah, we're not allowed to give out her secrets earlier.
Day one. She's a closed day. Everybody can cook. How you doing, Jim?
Little better, little better. At least I'm walking easy today.
You're ready to sit, you can sit up now and take nourishment out.
Yeah. I'm going to try anyway.
And I'll tell you what, that last few holes got awful hard, didn't it?
Yeah, well,
I tell you, hit the ball, drag Jim. Hit the ball, He died on the sixth hole, I think.
Actually, I started dying on about 2.
No, he was, I heard him talk about aching before he even got on the first tee, so I knew he was.
Yeah, well, that's a normal story you hear on the first tee.
Yeah,
Not everybody.
Use that one all the time.
Yeah, Teresa, when she made the sure shot, she got the first tee, she ran over that water. There's water in there. Well, they don't, not many places usually have off the first tee. Well, even good golf courses. Well, we've had a lot of rain, have you?
Yeah,
It might just be one.
Well, we were on the second tee, about ready to leave the second tee, and we saw y'all staggering up out of that water hole. First hole. Looks like you've been in a war.
I think the biggest challenge of the whole day was trying to figure out where in the world the hell this golf course laid out.
Right. Figuring out which way to go.
Well, I heard
You know
the
what I kept
person
thinking?
they really hated to leave early, but they only took 2 dozen balls with them. They were about out.
Well, I just kept telling him, I said, just keep Jim's green pants in front of us. Follow those green pants.
One time we lost.
You didn't want to follow him someplace, he had to go chase his ball.
Y'all riding?
Yeah, we
If I'd have known all those carts didn't have tops on, I'd have just been walking, wouldn't you?
If we were walking, I would have made it 9 holes.
Well, they need to take off the shade trees and walk up the fairway through the shade.
I just kept driving my cart from one shady spot to the other.
You play golf and all that?
They don't want you to fly.
Well, you play like the rest of us.
You just play par 3.
Well, what's this you going to take up?
Where you take the putter and drive it off the tee. It goes 200 yards. Somebody says, nope, you can't do that. You be able to do that. Take that putter, not that ball. 100, 200 feet.
Nobody says what club you have to use.
Then you go bounce along the ground.
Yeah, we always see a warm burner go. They should have a lot of ricochet. When we hit it off that rock and into that tree and up around that cliff there.
It'll be a lot of fun. There's still that par 3 course out on the tee for the
Yeah, I'm coming around with
nobody here, somebody heard.
No, that's not bad.
Once they have that course, well, you can go play par
might be a lot of
Sarah, can you read me?
That's what he's talking about, past the speedway.
That's what you're doing.
I asked Sarah if they knew if they can make potatoes good as they want.
I'll do it for
She said she can.
Oh, yeah. Because Grandma makes good
Thank you.
I think everybody still uses it. They had commercial television now about. Clinton played that one too.
Well, too, you go to stay in today or? Don't stay in until 4
The choir came down for sure. I love it. Building on fire. Everybody's leaving. Everybody's
Well, imagine it.
John, we are changing that basketball.
Okay. No, it's not the Olympics, but it's the Olympic team. When the church should be it's their first game together. Yeah, I've got my team in there in the kitchen. I'd like to have more kids in the kitchen. That would be interesting. You watch them now.
Well, like all Baptists, there's Baptist church out there.
It'll be a big
The center of the Baptist church
together.
is the Baptist.
It's like the star who will.
I mean, that's always right there in the center.
That would be like a pickup game.
I can imagine them guys give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. They say, give me the ball. Michael Jordan's going to say, man, you crazy, old man. Give me the ball.
I can see you looking at me. I was right over your side. And then all of a
I'm sure he really appreciates that one.
tell him he can
I can't give up their coach and say, now this is a team.
How the hell is what was one big difference? You got 3 guys on your team that not only are good shooters,
Yeah.
you got Larry Bird, he's got to make a pretty pass.
This defense thing, they're always awesome down there.
I just got to get that back.
It's always never seems to be fair.
I think it's gonna really hurt.
Larry Bird pass, but I was waiting for Jordan.
Most of the ones.
I know Matt Johnson, I don't think he would want to do that. I believe Matt Johnson, he can get more push than Larry Bird, he'd be happy. And after this not good for Mike.
I don't expect to see Matthew go out too many more times. Stay away from it all year long for 4 years.
I think he'll be past the ball.
If I'm not mistaken, they're supposed to
But anyway, we're taking it to lose
But I said, well, you know, I don't know what it takes to save him the rules. That's their thing. I was just looks like it's taking over everybody.
Yeah, well, it's on a wild end.
Well, I'll bring it back right back. I'll bring it right back.
We have a third music. Somebody wants some banana pudding before I eat it all?
I'm having fun.
Yep.
Come up in the church. We didn't know it.
You don't like bananas?
That sounds amazing. That was funny. That's one thing.